In this video, we're going to walk you through how to assemble your new Snapcycle R1 Pro Series e-bike, step by step. To unbox your bike, first you'll need some scissors to cut the external packaging straps and carefully open the box. Inside the box, you will find the front basket and an accessory box, which contains the charger, pedals, front quick release skewer, tools, and the owner's manual. Then we need to put on the handlebar. Remove the bolt from the top of the stem. Place the handlebar into position as shown and replace the bolt at the top of the stem. Next, remove the bolt at the top of the front fork. Set the front fender and tighten the fixing bolt. Remove these two bolts at the side of the fork dropouts. Then secure the fender stay rods to each side of the fork dropouts by tightening the hex bolts. At this point, you may wish to flip the bike upside down for easy assembly. Loosen the axle nuts and remove the protective axle from the front fork dropouts. Pull out the plastic brake caliper insert. Now we are ready to install the front wheel. You need to ensure the brake rotor goes right into the caliper in between the brake pads. Align the dropouts with the axle of the wheel hub to make sure the fork dropouts are fully seated on the axle. Install the quick release skewer starting from the brake rotor side of the wheel, and then push the quick release skewer back through the hub. Please take note, you need to keep the two cone springs pointed toward the center of the wheel hub. Hand tighten the thumb nuts and use the palm of your hand to close the skewer lever without touching the brake rotor. There should be enough resistance that the lever leaves an imprint on your palm. Check and make sure the front wheel can spin freely. Turn the bike back over and align the handlebar so it is straight with the front wheel. Once it is straight, tighten the two bolts on the underside of the handlebar. Pedals are labeled L for left and R for right. The left pedal goes to the left side of the rider and the right pedal goes to the right. Turn the right pedal clockwise and the left pedal counterclockwise into the crank arm. Use the 15mm wrench in the accessory box to tighten the pedals. Loosen the seat clamp, adjust the seat to the desired height and position before closing the seat clamp firmly. Next, to place the bell, remove the bolts from the strap. Place the strap around the handlebar and replace the bolt, making sure it is tight enough so that the strap is secure. The battery key is attached to the wires in the front of the handlebar. You will need this key to remove the battery from the frame, so keep it in a safe place. To remove the battery from the bike, insert the key into the battery lock. Turn it clockwise and hold it in position with one hand while pulling the battery toward the seat with the other hand. Turn it to the on position and then replace the battery. Now let's install the front basket. Remove these four bolts from the head tube as shown. Place the basket on the head tube and make sure none of the wires gets pinched before tightening the four hex bolts. Press and hold the power button to power on the bike. You can adjust the pedal assist level by short pressing the up and down buttons. Please note, you'll need to press the safety button before you can activate the throttle power. You can turn on and off the headlight by long pressing the up button. Short pressing the power button toggles between high beam and low beam for the headlight. The right and left buttons on the handlebar control the right and left blinkers on the back of the bike. For the phone app, you can connect the app by Bluetooth. With this, you can easily lock and unlock the bike. Now you are ready to ride your Snapcycle R1 Pro Series bike. Thank you for watching.